someone to help me see the light, but I could never have been ready for this. I think I should start by letting you in. Take a look at you and start to look.
We're gonna get this big dog on the grill. Bye-bye. Bye-bye. All right, we got this to 105, 110, 110 in the fillet, 105 in the strip. And now we're gonna sear it off. Hot fire with hickory chunks. Just got to keep it moving. Gonna flip about every 30 seconds. Try to build a good crust and get it to 120, 125. All right, guys, first flip. Ooh. Alright guys, we got it resting on the cutting board. Porterhouse. Guys, the Porterhouse is when the filet mignon on this side over here is more than 2 inches. Okay, that's what determines it being a Porterhouse to a T-bone. You got your filet mignon here and your New York strip right there. Guys, Porterhouse about to get cut into this thing. It's been resting for about 7 minutes. Got more flies on set than subscribers. We gotta do something about that. We're just gonna go straight down. We're gonna cut this strip off first. Put the strip there. And we're gonna come over here and we're gonna get the filet mignon. The filet mignon. Okay. Right there. Alright, that's all for the, I gotta get that side. Just like that right there, guys. Get some of this filet. Man, the Kinder's prime steak, don't sleep on that rub. It's a great rub.